Hey folks, welcome to another episode of the Thenaturalmedic Adventures. I'm your host, Craig. If you have been on my channel for any time, you've probably seen this in several adventures. This is the Stanley Adventure Cup. Sorry for the glare off the light there, but this is what it looks like. Now when you get it, it has this lid here that has vented holes in it. It has a bail that comes out so you can grab it when it's on top of the fire, and a little deal on top of here. Now what it comes with inside are these two plastic coffee cups. This is your set that it comes with. I would maybe not throw them away, but I would not use those.
We are cooking now. All right.
What I keep inside, this is a very lightweight system, guys and gals. I have a kitchen towel in here. You may have seen this recently in my stove video that I did a few weeks ago. Inside of here I have my stove, which you probably already know that. I have a lighter with a little chimney on there. The spice missile. All of this stuff is completely optional and up to you. But you can see here, the nice thing about this, it's got graduated lines on the inside here. Goes all the way up to, look on the outside here, to 20 ounces. So more than enough for most backpacking meals. It's large enough, probably be better for one person, north side, potato soup, something like that. You could definitely do in this cup. Constructed of stainless steel, so it's definitely not as light as titanium. You can make out what it says on the bottom here. It says Stanley, 24 ounces or 710 milliliters. Decent size. And the nice thing about it is it's inexpensive. As of this recording right now, if you buy it from Amazon, I'll put a link in the description for you to check out. You can get it for under 15 bucks. What I do is I put my kitchen towel, wrap it up in there with my stove. My stove is nothing more than the BRS 3000 stove. Very lightweight titanium stove. Fits almost anywhere. That's the stove I've been carrying for a while now. Most of the time I'm just heating up water for a Nor meal, a backpacking meal of some sort, you know, or soup or whatever. Coffee in the morning, etc. All I need is a nice, inexpensive, lightweight burner to use as my stove to cook on.
We're done cooking.
Now the fuel canister that I use does not fit in there, but if you had a smaller fuel canister, you could definitely fit it inside of there. I have is the Coleman butane propane mix. I get it from Walmart, but you don't have to use this. But this is the one that I use. It's a little bit bigger, but the trade-off is it has a higher amount of burn time in this bigger canister. So that's an option. But you could also carry a smaller one. Now, just to make it easy for these meals, if you're making a meal in a backpacking packet, I carry the Toke's titanium spoon. This is what I've been using for the past several trips. And right now it's just too hot, but when I resume taking trips in the fall, this is what I'll be taking, this exact setup here. Instead of having the cup you may have seen last year in last year's video that I did with this Stanley Adventure Cook set, I was using the Walmart silicone cup. Still a great cup, but the problem is, unlike this one from Sea to Summit, it doesn't have that hard rim at the top. It gets a little floppy after a few uses. And it still works.
All right, keep it floppy.
I still have it. This one, in my opinion, works a lot better. If you don't want to get the long spoon, you can of course go with a little spork like this from Yuko. I just put it in this dry bag that I got from Walmart from Outdoor Products. I'll package everything up so you can see that. So I just roll all this stuff up here in my kitchen towel. The kitchen towel is used to wipe the interior of the pot out or to grab the handle when it's hot. You definitely want something like that if you're going to be out there, because you never know when this little handle could get hot. Being stainless steel, it doesn't cool down as fast as titanium, nor is it as light as titanium, but it is a heck of a lot cheaper. In my opinion, it's really not that different.
Titanium blades.
Hey, if you're liking this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification for more videos like this. I just put this stuff in here, inside of this red bag. I can put everything in here, including the fuel canister, the spoon. I still have room for other stuff in there if I want to put it in there. I can close that up. It keeps it nice and dry. A complete lightweight cooking setup with all those accessories.
Lightweight.
That's your takeaway?
Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you carry for your cook set in the outdoors. Have you used the Stanley? Is this something that you would consider if you don't have a cook kit? Or do you have questions about cook kits that you want to ask me or the community? Feel free to leave those comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell when I release a new video. And I'll see you out on the trail. Thanks, y'all.